Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Redtail on the river. Happens to be upstairs. We're going to do a quick video tutorial. And the setup here in the media room is such that we have a Panasonic television with a smart-enabled Samsung DVD player. And so just to do a quick video tutorial, now this is the remote for it. And it says Panasonic TV. So right up here on the top left, we have the TV video, the input sections. We're set to HDMI 2. And so we'll go ahead and hit OK. Now that'll allow you to watch a DVD, or you are able to use Hulu Plus if you've got your accounts for Amazon, Netflix. You can certainly watch any of those, YouTube, obviously, all the free material and content that you have there. And so if you're going to log in, you just hit the OK. So fairly limited, but you have Netflix and you have Amazon, you have Hulu. So if you have any questions utilizing the television up here in the media room at Redtail on the River, you can give us a call. The number in the office, it's 208-630-3415. And right there you'd see where it says sign in and start watching. So if you've got any questions and have need for assistance, once again, the number in the office, it's 634-0030. And then we'll hit exit. And that would be it. Cheers.